Number 2. Sony Alpha 7S3. If you're asking what camera is most popular with bigger YouTubers, regardless of genre, style, or budget, that would be the Sony Alpha 7S3. This full-frame mirrorless camera is the very definition of pro level, offering professional-grade video capabilities in a compact and lightweight body. And the best part? It's been renewed, so you can get all these ideal features at a fraction of its original price. The Alpha 7S3 comes with a 12-megapixel Exmor R sensor, optimized for 4K video recording with unparalleled sensitivity and speed. Plus, the new BIONZ XR processing engine provides 8 times more processing power, ensuring you get high-quality images every time. But what sets this camera apart is its low noise performance at high ISOs, up to 409,600. This means you can shoot in very low light conditions without worrying about grainy or blurry footage. And with a dynamic range of 15+ stops, your videos will have stunning contrast and detail. The Sony Alpha 7S3 also offers up to 4K resolution at 120 frames per second in various recording modes, giving you endless possibilities for creative shots. And with full pixel readout, you'll never miss a single detail. Whether you're a tech reviewer who needs crisp and clear product shots or a vlogger who loves to experiment with different frame rates, this camera can handle it all. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go shooting and travel vlogs.